Hi there! In today's video, we're going to explore how to add a new background to a Trupeer video. Once your video is recorded, head over to the Visuals tab and give it a click. After clicking, you'll find yourself in the Background tab, where you can toggle the background on or off. Once it's on, you'll have access to a variety of backgrounds that we've already licensed for your use. If those options aren't quite enough for you, don't worry. You can upload custom images to our platform to use as your background. Plus, we've included a few customizations. You can add a shadow to the background for a more realistic depth effect in your video. It's a subtle feature, but one that adds a nice touch. Additionally, we have an option for rounded corners, allowing you to adjust how rounded you want them to be. As you can see, at a setting of 16, the corners are slightly straightened, while at 100, they are fully rounded. That's how the rounded corners feature works. We also offer a padding toggle, which adjusts the size of the video in relation to the background behind it. Typically, a padding of 12 is our go-to, but feel free to adjust it to fit your specific needs. And that's all there is to adding a background.